Welcome to this beginner's video on the English alphabet. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters, each with its own name and pronunciation. Let's start with the letter A. Is pronounced as A, 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 and is used to start many words, such as apple and airplane. Next up is B, which is pronounced as B, 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 is used in words like book and banana. Moving on to C, which is pronounced as C, 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 is used in words like cat and cookie. D is pronounced as D, 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 is used in words like dog and desk. E is pronounced as E, 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 and is used in words like egg and elephant. F is pronounced as F, 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 and is used in words like fish and frog. G is pronounced as G, 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 and is used in words like girl and guitar. H is pronounced as H, 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 and is used in words like hat and house. I is pronounced as I, 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 and is used in words like igloo and insect. J is pronounced as J, 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 and is used in words like jam and juice. K is pronounced as K, 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 and is used in words like kite and kangaroo. L is pronounced as L, 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 and is used in words like lion and lamp. M is pronounced as M, 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 and is used in words like monkey and moon. N is pronounced as N, 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 and is used in words like nose and notebook. O is pronounced as O, 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 and is used in words like orange and octopus. P is pronounced as P, 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 and is used in words like pizza and pencil. Q is pronounced as Q, 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 and is used in words like queen and question. R is pronounced as R, 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 and is used in words like rabbit and rose. S is pronounced as S, 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 and is used in words like sun and snake. T is pronounced as T, 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 and is used in words like turtle and train. U is pronounced as U, 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 and is used in words like umbrella and unicorn. V is pronounced as V, 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 and is used in words like violin and vase. W is pronounced as W, 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 and is used in words like water and window. X is pronounced as X, 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 and is used in words like xylophone and box. Y is pronounced as Y, 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 and is used in words like yellow and yo-yo. Z is pronounced as Z, 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 and is used in words like zebra and zipper. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment below.